because one time I had my tonsils taken out, which means I could eat a ton of ice cream after. And guess what I did? I went ham on it, that's right. I'm talking embarrassing ham. Like if someone recorded me, I'd have to leave the country and change my identity. Anyways, as I was happily devouring my ice cream, it suddenly hit. The god-forsaken brain freeze. It's like your soul leaves your body for 3 whole seconds. But why does this happen? I know you're curious too. Come here. Take this blankie, take this ice cream, but don't eat it yet. We're not going through that same trauma again. So once you take a big bite of ice cream, right, your mouth suddenly gets freezing. Especially the roof of your mouth, and your body, it does not handle change well, especially temperature change. So it tries to warm it back up by doing 2 things. First, it shrinks the tiny blood vessels in the roof of your mouth, to stop the cold from spreading any further. Second, it suddenly expands those blood vessels way back up to bring more warm blood in. Now I know what you're thinking. If all this just happens in my mouth, then why does my head hurt? This is where a nerve in your head called the trigeminal nerve comes in. And he gets so confused sometimes. I don't even know why. Even the scientists don't know why. And when he gets confused, he starts to panic and sends the pain signal to the wrong place, aka to your head instead of your throat. And that's when you get a brain freeze. This is actually the concept of something called the referred pain. It is when your brain gets confused and sends pain to the wrong place. Anyways, the good news is it's pretty easy to get rid of a brain freeze. Just press your tongue to the roof of your mouth or drink some warm water. Both of these help bring the temperature of your mouth back to normal.